Hey guys, and welcome along to another episode of Common Man to Lakesman. This is my personal blog about me and my triathlon journey. It's another Wednesday, and this is genuinely blowing my mind that you guys keep asking me what I'm going to be baking next, like it's becoming a thing. So maybe it should be a thing. What do you think? Just let me know in the comments below. And while you're there, if you've got a moment, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. It does really help my channel out, and I do really appreciate it. I love reading your comments, and I try to reply to them all if I can. So what we gonna do today? So today I thought I'd start with some basics. So how about a Victoria sponge? We all like a bit of cake, and it's probably one of the easiest ones out there to make. So let's get started. The number one, you need to go and wash your handy pandies. So one moment. So what do we need for this? What do we need? Your hat. Obviously yours won't be as cool as mine, but you know. So we need 6 ounces of self-raising flour, 6 ounces of caster sugar, 6 ounces of margarine, so I've got starch in there, mixing bowl, a knife to wheel that people, 3 medium to large eggs, a wooden spoon, a electric whisk, and I've got 2 8-inch baking trays with greaseproof paper at the bottom, which does help to get the cake out, and it's greased around the edges. First thing we need to do is get everything combined. So get the sieve, flour, caster sugar. So all these ingredients are just for sponge, and then we're going to come back to the filling in a little bit. So let's get that all through the sieve. So I've preheated my oven to 160 degrees. Pop your starch in. And we want 3 of these eggs. So get them all whisked up, nicely mixed together. So you can see it's really nice smooth texture. And then what we need to do is divide that up between the 2 baking trays that I've got. So my 2 baking trays are identical, so it's a little trick for you. So we need to weigh them first and then zero the scales, and it allows you to divide your ingredients between both the baking trays. So just do it a spoonful at a time. Doesn't have to be exact, just as close as you can get it. So they're nicely divided up now. So we're going to just spread the mixture out so it forms a nice even layer, just like this. Just little tip for you, if you're putting greaseproof paper down, put some margarine underneath it, and it'll just help it stick to the bottom of the tray. So nice and smooth like that. Same with the other one. Right, so we're going to whack them in the oven. So these want to be in for roughly 30 minutes. But keep an eye on them, and then I'm going to show you a little trick just to tell whether they're ready or not. So we're going to whack them in the oven. Right, so I've just taken these out of the oven, and I'm just going to do the sponge test. You can see it's not quite bouncing back, it's just a few more minutes left, but once it bounced straight back, then it's bang on, it's ready to start putting the buttercream in. 2 more minutes. Right guys, so this is the last step. So now that my cake is cooled, I need to just make some buttercream. So you can put in fresh cream if you want, and some jam or fresh strawberries, whatever you want. It's really up to you. I'm going to go for buttercream. So what I've got in here is 4 ounces of icing sugar and 2 ounces of margarine. So what the ratio is basically it's half the margarine to what you've got icing sugar. And all it's a case of just combining it, mixing it all up, so you've got a nice smooth texture. And then basically adding your jam into the cake, buttercream, wash them together, and before you know it, voila, what do you think of that? So what I've done there is just dusted it with a bit of icing sugar on the top, and it's absolutely banging. I'll put the recipe down in the description of this video with a few little hints and tips as well. But that is it for this video. I'm sorry this second bit was a little bit rushed. It's just that I got called out to blooming work, so I had to go and do a bit more work. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these videos, please subscribe, please give it a thumbs up, and please comment below. It does all help the channel. Really appreciate it. Until then, I've been Colin Man to Lakesman, and I will see you on Friday.
Give me that thing.